Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell right here on IG Crypto. So right now we are here on their IG trading platform, and if you want to buy and sell, we first go here to the left and search for something that we want to trade with. So let's go right here and we search for Ethereum. There we are. There we have it, Ether. So we click on Ether and now we have Ethereum right here on the chart. And then what we're going to do is select right here with how many contracts we want to step in. So I want to step in with 5. Then right now we select here sell. And now if you click right here on place deal, so we will do this real quick. You see right here that we confirmed the deal and that we now have 5 selling contracts. So now if you go to positions, you will find right here your position with a size of -5. Then right now we go back. So we go to cryptocurrency and Ether again. And then right now we do exactly the opposite. Now we want to create 10 buy positions. So we select right here buy. And now if you click right here on place deal, we bought ourselves 10 contracts. And now if you go to positions, you see that we now are having +5 contracts on this trade. So this is in a nutshell how you can buy and sell right here on IG Crypto. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.